Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring your Infinix Hot 10 has enough battery and isn't restarting mid-change. Plug it in if under 20%. Once ready, unlock the phone and open Settings, swipe down and tap the gear or find Settings in the app drawer. Make sure you're in the main Settings page, then tap Display or Wallpaper immediately. This takes you to the live wallpaper controls. You're doing this so you can access the active Wallpaper app and disable background animations cleanly, not just change an image. Once in Wallpaper, tap Live Wallpapers or Active Wallpapers to reveal what's running. You'll see the current live wallpaper preview. Tap the three dots or App Info link to open its details. From App Info, choose Force Stop First to immediately halt animations, then tap Disable if the option exists so it won't restart. If Disable is grayed out, clear defaults and storage for that wallpaper app, then return and set a static wallpaper. Doing this prevents battery drain and stops CPU usage. To finish, choose a static wallpaper from Gallery or Wallpapers and set it for home and lock screens. This replaces the live background. Once set, reboot your phone to ensure the live wallpaper service won't restart. If the live wallpaper reappears, go back to App Info for the wallpaper app, clear cache and storage, or uninstall updates. As a final step, uninstall the wallpaper app if it's third-party. If issues persist, reboot into safe mode to identify conflicting apps and remove the offending app.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.